What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna be modding out my TST R002. Let's go look at the parts that I bought for it. All right, so first we got some ZTZ cycling brakes. Then we have a battery-powered Baja light. Then we have a battery-powered rock light, handlebars, Mr. Crick stickers, cable management, shiny Moto Cuts plate, grips, and a bar stem. This is gonna completely transform this bike. There's also some other things on this bike that I'm gonna take off. I'm just gonna fast forward through the whole process and then show y'all what it looks like after, because it's really hot out here and I wanna go ahead and get it done with. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, what's up? It's about a week or so after I last recorded this video. I was gonna just scrap it because the footage for the time lapsing kept cutting off and I didn't really want it to. But I decided to just get back to it because I didn't really want to not do this video because these types of videos do really good. So yeah, I'm just also, I needed a video to post because this video is going to be going out the next day. So, I mean, I gotta get this video done and posted tonight so they can go out to y'all tomorrow. Because I got a new bike coming in tomorrow. I gotta unbox that and make a video on it. And I also got another bike and a scooter coming, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we're just going riding. I'm gonna tell y'all what I like about these mods, give y'all some updates on the channel and stuff. And yeah, let's get into it. So, this wasn't in the first part of the video, but I got a full twist throttle, and my dad soldered the wires for me because they were the throttle didn't work for it. There's no plug and play throttle for the TST. But I was gonna keep the thumb throttle because I thought it was pretty cool. But apparently that's a problem with the TST where the throttle gets stuck, and it kept getting stuck. All you have to do is just push it back up, but it got kind of annoying. So yeah, we just got a full twist and it's working really good. And the rock light, right before I left my house to come record this video, it fell off. I had a bump in my backyard and it fell off and it was getting stuck in my tire and stuff. So yeah, we don't have the rock light anymore. But yeah, overall, I'm loving this bike. But yeah. And I've gotten comments saying, oh, you're just saying this because you're sponsored or whatever. Yes, there are some things that I have to say because I'm sponsored, but I would be saying those things anyway. I genuinely do love this bike. I completely recommend this bike to anybody that's looking for a budget e-bike. Link and discount code are in the description if you're wanting it or want to check it out. But yeah, I definitely 100% recommend. Like, if I was going back buying a bike, I would like really consider this TST. Like, it's crazy how much I like this bike. These brakes I got are really good too. I didn't think they'd be all too great because they're like 75 bucks, probably cheaper than that. I can't even remember. But they were like really good. Here, I can lock up the tire really easy. I don't know if y'all heard that or not. And I can do a stoppie. I just went over the handlebars there. But these brakes are really good. All that it is, or the only thing I don't really like is the front brakes a little squeaky. But that's probably just because I didn't change out the brake discs. I didn't really feel like it. So they're probably just greasy from the last brakes. But I mean, yeah, I really like the brakes and stuff. I like all the mods that I got on this bike. I would recommend all of them. Everything's off of Amazon except this headlight. I got it from Revolt Rise. I got it from my Ridstar, and then I got a new light for my Ridstar, so I put it on here. And it's working great. I love this headlight. Also, he's upgraded the headlights since when I bought this. Like their wires, like the connections are stronger and they're not just soldered. Cause these ones, they kept like breaking. They keep like snapping in half and I have to like rewire them and stuff. But his new ones, they have like plug-in connectors, so they're way stronger and that shouldn't happen. Like I said earlier, I got 3 sponsors on the way and I'm riding a sponsor right now. So that makes 4 sponsors that I've had. And I can't even really express how grateful I am for all of y'all supporting the videos and all that, being subscribed, because I genuinely I would not be able to do it without y'all, and I really appreciate it. Also, if y'all have any recommendations for future videos and stuff, let me know in the comments. I'm really open to it. And not gonna be doing any trail riding today because I feel like I've been doing way too much of that. I feel like it's kind of boring to watch. So I'm gonna be doing more street riding today and like paths like this. I'm gonna give the trail riding a break until like sponsors and stuff where I need to do off-road tests. I might do a next video for this bike I'm getting tomorrow, but I don't know yet. Let me know if y'all want to see that. Also, my summer is over. I don't know about any of y'all, but I started school back yesterday, which is Wednesday. So 2 days before this video came out. And it's pretty unfortunate because I was kind of enjoying summer, but I mean, it is what it is. That's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. Go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.